Hey guys, my name is Judisa Johnson Ngapolo. So, I'm here to talk about environmental biology as part of my project. So, we are going to define environmental biology and what do you understand by environmental biology. And we're going to talk about living organisms and their environments. So, let's come to introduction to environmental biology. What is environmental biology? It's the scientific study of interactions between living organisms and their physical, chemicals, and biological environment. It also examines how humans affect ecosystem. It's also focused on sustainable use of natural resources. It provides the scientific foundations for conservation and solving environmental problems. What are some of the components of the environment? We have two components of the environment. We have biotic components, which are plants, animals, and microorganisms. Then we have abiotic component, which is air, water, soil, sunlight, and then temperature. So let's come to food chains and food webs. What is a food chain? A food chain is about the flow and exchange of energy in ecosystems and the others. So, take for example, we have producers, and then we have primary consumers, we have secondary consumers, and then we have decomposers. For example, grass, it's consumed by grasshoppers, and then grasshoppers consumed by frogs, and then frogs consumed by snakes, and then snakes consumed by eagle. What is the importance of food chain? Uh, One important is transfers energy through ecosystems. The second example, the second importance, it maintains ecological balance. Let's look at the key drivers of environmental change. We have habitats lost and then fragmentations, which are the causes of biodiversity lost. We have pollutions, which are plastics, nitrates, endrains, and then distributors. Then we have over exploitations, which is overfishing, logging, and then poaching. We have invasive species, which are ecological wrinkling balls. Then climate change, which gives threats and multiple isolate all others. We come to environmental pollutions. We have several types of pollutions and their causes. We have air pollutions, it's caused by industrial waste. We have water pollutions, it's caused by vehicle emissions. We have soil pollution, which is improper waste disposals. We have noise pollution, which is deforestation. Now, we are coming to climate change. We know there are some causes of climate change and their effects to human life or any other environmental asset. We have greenhouse gas emissions, which affects rising temperatures, then burning fossils, which is floods and drought, loss of biodiversity, and then we have deforestation, which can affect sea level rise and drought. So we're almost to conclude, but before that, let's look at biodiversity conservations. What is a biodiversity? What do you understand by biodiversity? The variety of living organism in an ecosystem. We compile them as biodiversity. So how is it important? The importance are maintains ecosystem stability. It's provide food for medicines, provide food to medicines, and then it supports economic development. So how do we conserve, or which other methods for conservations? We have national parks, wildlife reserves, and then afforestations. To my conclusion, environmental biology studies relationships between organisms and their environment, and ecosystem are initials for life. Then pollutions and climate change threatens biodiversity. Sustainable practice help protect the environmental for future generations. So, from all that we have been talking about, what can you pick from it, and how are we supposed to change the climate?